Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Valor's Training Center YouTube channel. I am Mark Entrata, first degree black belt under the legend himself, Professor Rubens Cobrina Charles. And I'm also 48 years old this year. I've been doing jiu-jitsu for almost 25 years, and I've been teaching, coaching, leading, managing an academy in a team for almost 20 years. So, yes, I've been around. And welcome to the channel. This channel mostly is for beginners, hobbyists, and older people. And if you're one of those or all of those, my man, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe now because I'm here to help you out. Anyway, so the topic I'm gonna talk to you about on this episode is this: your body, your jujitsu, you, my friend, you are a computer. Yeah, I know I'm exaggerating, but yes, treat your body as a computer. Okay. Now, why? Why is it a computer? And what does it have to do with learning jujitsu? Because here's the thing. In a computer, there are two basic components. The hardware and the software. Okay? I know you're pretty smart and you're like, I kind of see where this is going. Because here's the thing. It's the same with you learning jujitsu. Now, I personally handle the beginners classes, the beginners only classes, and we have. So I'm going to be talking about two different students. One of the students in the main academy in Valle Verde country. Yes, because I'm also the head instructor at Alliance Jiu Jitsu Manila, which we recently won again the Brazilian nationals. But anyway, so at Alliance Jiu Jitsu Manila in Valle Verde Country Club, we have a new student. Okay, I think he's in his 30s, but literally never did any physical activities prior to training. So, and then on the other hand, see, that's why I'm so busy. That's why I haven't posted much videos lately, because I've been also teaching a class at McKinley Jiu Jitsu Club in BGC area. So if you're from the Taguig area, see. But anyway, there in McKinley Jiu Jitsu Club, we have a new student who does yoga and dance prior to doing jujitsu. So she's been training for only 1 month. Okay, I literally just met her last Tuesday, while the other guy, okay, has been with the team for around 3 months. But here's the thing: see, the guy who doesn't have any prior physical activity, he was having a challenging time doing even basic movements, basic even like the shuffle step and all the other, of course, shrimping was a little bit challenging for him. Bridging was, yeah. While on the other hand, the girl who did yoga, or who I think she still does yoga and dances, super easy to the point that I was like, all right, calm down, because we were doing bridging, and she was like, oh yeah, here, that's why I'm used to this movement. We even have this type of bridge, or like all. I'm like, all right, calm down, you're really just showing off at this point. No, but anyway, so it's like, we don't use that in jiu-jitsu, so no need. But anyway, because that's the thing. Okay, like a computer, let's go back to a computer is made up of a hardware and software. Okay, so what happens is, doesn't matter if you can afford the software. You're like, oh yeah, I got. But if your hardware isn't ready for the software, what do you think is gonna happen to the computer? It's gonna crash. It's not gonna work. Yeah. On the other hand, if you prepare the hardware already, you have all these. I'm not a big computer guy, but all these things ready. Now you can put in software, and yeah, it's gonna run smoothly. Why? Because you prepared your computer. The hardware is prepared for it. Just like Neo in the Matrix. He's like, I'm gonna learn jujitsu.
Jiu-Jitsu? I'm going to learn Jiu-Jitsu.
So, but anyway, I don't know if that analogy even makes sense, but it sounds pretty cool. But And on the other hand, that's why it's hard. We also need to maximize eventually the hardware. Because sometimes some of you guys are physically fit, who are, like coordinated and all that stuff. But then your knowledge is very little. The software is, then you're not maximizing your jujitsu, your learning. Also, again, with a computer analogy, think of it this way. Okay, so you have the software, you have the hard. But what do we do with the software also? Same with the hardware. Eventually, we keep updating. So some techniques, consider them as, or some sequences, some systems, they need some upgrade. These are the little improvements. These are the little things. So you're upgrading the software. Okay? That's why, my friend, you are like a computer. Your jujitsu journey, you can look at it as a as a computer. So you need both. You need one of the. I know this may sound weird, but one of the best things that happened to my jujitsu was actually the pandemic. Because in the pandemic, at least here in the Philippines and Manila, I was like being a good boy, doing the whole quarantine thing. I didn't do jujitsu. So the only jujitsu I did were movements because Professor Cobrina, had online Zoom classes. We just focused on movements, movements, movements. But then you know what? The moment I was allowed to train jujitsu, the techniques became so much easier to execute. My base was so much better. My coordination was so much better. My, the explosiveness was so much better. My stability was so much better. That's why it's important. I know the fun part of jiu-jitsu is always the software. It's always the knowledge. It's always the technique. For the most part. What is the part of jiu-jitsu that we don't like the most, or at least most people don't like? It's really the strengthening of the body, the conditioning of the body, the cardio, the strengthening of the abs, the mobility, the stability training. Because it's not fun. Okay? But again, if you want to make your jiu-jitsu better, if you want to get your jiu-jitsu to the next level, and if you want to learn and execute techniques so much easier, work on the hardware. The software, man, thanks to the internet and all that stuff, easily available. Okay? Especially if you know how to train the right way. But but the hardware, no one can do that for you. You can't look at the internet search. Yeah, you have to put in the work. So my friends, that's the lesson for today. Do the physical work. Do the physical. I know oh no, jiu-jitsu is all about technique. It's all about technique conquers all. Yeah, brother. But here's the thing with technique. Techniques are still made up of movements chained in a particular manner. See? So let's say one technique. That's why I also don't believe when people say, I don't agree when people say, oh, there are no fundamentals or basic techniques and advanced. They're all techniques. No, man. But anyway, that's a different discussion. But let's say basic. Why? Because basic techniques usually just require around 3 movements that don't require super extreme, stability, mobility, or whatever, timing, etc. But anyway, there. Let's say a technique is made up of 3 movements, okay, chained in a particular manner. If you can do the first movement well, second movement well, but you cannot execute the third movement well, then the whole technique falls apart. That's how important movements are. Coordination, stability, mobility. Okay, sometimes flexibility, okay, especially if you're from 10th planet. But that's the lesson for today, my friends. And I know you learned something. Again, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe, especially if you're a hobbyist, an older person, and uh, a beginner. Yes. And good luck to your jiu-jitsu journey. So remember, stay safe, have fun, so we can train jiu-jitsu until we are 99. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Os.